Mackenzie Cooper starts her summer the right way at this workshop for future authors at Glade Central High School. She pens biographies of her role models.
It's a lot of good things that come out the Glades. Like, too many people don't know that their doctors are from the Glades, their lawyers, and their teachers are from the Glades, so I like writing about them.
Mackenzie participated in the workshop last summer. All 50 students in the program will see their work published into a book. That's exciting for Hema, who is writing articles about immigration, Jakayla, who writes poetry, and Janaya, creating a short story.
This is the opportunity to really take their writing outside of the box in ways that don't limit them, but really allows them to be creative and put their magic into their writing.
Making magic with Mackenzie is teacher Karthita Mann.
Did you have an interview first?
She helps the students with writing, editing, and publishing.
They get to do it with their friends. They get to bounce ideas off of people who have the same interests that they have. And they come out with good work.
There are also guest speakers to inspire the students.
Once you find your passion, your love, you stick with it, you're going to win at life.
Students attend the 2-week workshop free of charge thanks to Canon Solutions America. I'm Rick Blackwell for the Education Network, keeping you informed.